Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to the first part of Diwali series or the Diva vlog part 1. This series was originally started by Shreya Jain, giving the credits where it's due. So today it's the first video, so all Indian. Going to be talking about all things makeup and I'll talk about some affordable makeup that you can have if you are at a beginner level. Some of the options are really good and I have a lot of products that I really want to show you, so you will have a diverse amount of products that you can choose from and see what suits you the best. And so as you know, all know that the Diwali and the festival season is around the corner, so I wanted to include this video in the Diwali series because थोड़ा बहुत मेकअप तो चल जाता है एंड ऐसा नहीं है दैट मैं बहुत अलग अलग मेकअप लुक्स ट्राई करती हूँ. आई गो फॉर वेरी सटल, वेरी न्यूड, वेरी बेसिक मेकअप जो कि फेस्टिवल्स एंड बेसिक डे आउट्स पे भी इवन यू कैन कैरी. So I'll be talking about every product that I have. You are going to have a lot of options or all the products I have been using जब से मैंने मेकअप करना स्टार्ट किया है. सो एवरीथिंग इज़ टेस्टेड और सब कुछ मतलब इट वर्क्स बेस्ट फॉर मी और मैं वही चीज़ें दिखा रही हूँ. देयर आर अदर products that I have discarded because it didn't suit me well. So these options are very safe to use, and without a further ado, let's just prices of every product will be mentioned on the screen, so you can have a price check as well because I honestly do not own बहुत high priced makeup और मतलब कुछ थोड़ा बहुत है, but I'm going to show you a beginner's kit for that. And yeah, let's just begin off. First thing that I do is moisturize my skin after washing it. So for the moisturizer I have two options that I want to show you. The first one is the Mamaearth oil free face moisturizer. So this is for oily skin और मैं इसको बहुत टाइम से यूज़ कर रही हूँ. So greasy feel नहीं होता है, ऑयली टेक्सचर नहीं देता है स्किन को, and it works great if you have oily skin. And this is for acne prone skin as well, which I have. I have a lot of acne. कुछ टाइम में मेरे को acne होता रहता है. So yeah, I have talked about this moisturizer a lot on my Instagram as well. There's a separate reel for that. And yeah, बहुत टाइम से यूज़ कर रही हूँ, so it works great for me. You can have this. And yeah, for now for the people having dry skin, I have an option for you as well. So this is Face Shop Rise Moisturizer and dry skin के लिए ये बहुत अच्छा है because it deeply moisturizes your skin. So for dry skin it works great. My sister uses this because she has dry skin, so I wanted to include this as an option too. And yeah. So after moisturizer I like to go on with face primer. I prime my T-zone like the forehead and chin area and the nose area. So I use this Nykaa Prep Me Up and मैंने काफ़ी वीडियोस के अंदर इसको यूज़ किया हुआ है और बहुत टाइम से ही मैं इसको यूज़ कर रही हूँ. And this is just for 500, so it's worth your penny. And after primer there's foundation. The first is this Color Bar foundation. This is SPF 60 in this SPF 60. मेरे को बहुत टाइम हो गया इसको यूज़ करते हुए. You might have seen this me using this foundation for like every other video because I genuinely love this foundation. It gives you full coverage and मतलब ऐसा भी नहीं लगता कि एक पूरी लेयर है. It gets blend into your skin very naturally, so that's my main concern when I look for a foundation, and that's why I like this Color Bar foundation a lot. The next I'm going to talk about is this Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. This has a very varied variety of shades which I'm happy about. And yeah, this blends in very naturally as well. My mom and Didi uses it, and she has been loving this foundation since she got it. So yeah, you can give it a try. Foundation के बाद there's concealer, and concealer is basically for your dark spots, dark circles, for acne marks, for uneven skin tone, for all of that purposes. But I just use it to hide my under eye area and the darkness. I do not have that much, इतनी ज़्यादा dark circles वगैरह नहीं है, but still I like to use concealer because कभी कभार I just go on with the concealer, पूरे face पे थोड़ा थोड़ा concealer and not go on with the foundation because that's full coverage. And जब casually you have to go, then you can just go for the concealer. So I have three options in concealer. First one is this Kiko Milano concealer, which I use very tiny bottle, but बहुत time हो गया मुझे use करते और बहुत अच्छा खासा time ये चल रही है. Usually like to do, like you might have seen me using this concealer in my videos also. So what I like to do with that, it's very it's kind of on the orange side. So it is for the hiding purpose. And I like to go on with a lighter shade of concealer to give the brightness for the brightening purposes. So I use this Kiko Milano, and I've been using this since a very long time. Next concealer is actually my favorite concealer, and I've switched from Kiko to this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. So this is this has this thing ऊपर, and you just apply it, and it is very very easy to use, और इससे काफ़ी dark circles and dark spots hide हो जाते हैं, and it is like the best concealer I've ever used. Maybelline has got some amazing concealers. I've got this new concealer from Maybelline Fit Me. So yeah, as I just told you कि Maybelline के पास बहुत अच्छे concealers हैं, and this one is Fit Me concealer, and this is in the shade 10 light, which is like their, I think कि इनका सबसे lightest shade है, because that is actually for Didi, and she is very fair. So that's that, and ये भी बहुत अच्छा work करता है for the brightening purpose. And yeah, about eyes in the last, because I have three options which I have a lot to talk about. So the next is this Fit Me loose powder, and मैं इसको मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम से यूज़ कर रही हूँ, और मैं मतलब बहुत सारे कंटेनर्स खरीद चुकी हूँ ऑलरेडी, बिकॉज आई जस्ट ये कंसीलर को बहुत अच्छे से सेट करता है, विच आई लव. एंड मैंने बहुत लोगों को देखा है कि बहुत बड़े बड़े ब्लॉगर्स भी स्टिल यूज़ दिस Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and this is in the shade light medium, और it sets the concealer like you have not even applied the concealer. And actually मेरा ये वाला भी ख़त्म होने वाला almost, as you can see पूरा चट हो चुका है. Then I have 3 blush that I want to show you. The first one is from Kiko Milano. This blush in the shade 04, and it is on a darker side how it looks, so it's on a little darker side, but I still love it जब थोड़ा ज़्यादा मेकअप करना हो for functions and for all. वरना I usually go for tint because that's very natural and looks like you have a natural blush. The next blush is my favorite from Color Bar. This is 013 Rosy Peach, and I actually gifted this to Didi, as you have seen in her birthday vlog, and we both love this blush because it feels very natural, और ऐसा लगता है कि अंदर से कुछ redness आ रही है, और yeah, we love. So after blush I'm going to talk about highlighter, and I love highlighter. मतलब highlighter से ऐसा लगता है कि एकदम अंदर से ही कुछ glow आ गया, और मतलब I just like to finish off my makeup with a little highlighter over my cheeks and some under my brows and on the tip of the nose, on the bridge, over my lips. And yeah, so the first is this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, और मैं हर वीडियो में इसी को यूज़ करती हूँ because I genuinely love कि कैसे एकदम से ग्लो दे देता है, and it is very pigmented. एज यू कैन सी हाईलाइटर्स ख़त्म बहुत लेट होते हैं, बट स्टिल इसके अंदर हम काफ़ी यूज़ कर चुके हैं एंड इट वर्क ग्रेट. इट एक्चुअली स्टेज ऑन योर फेस, ऐसा नहीं है कि स्मज ऑफ हो जाता है. सो दैट्स बेस्ट पार्ट. The next highlighter that I have is this sugar highlighter. We have been loving sugar products lately, and this is how it looks from the inside. And this is in the shade 04 Royal Rose. This works amazing because it gives you an inner glow and works perfect when you have to go for day events because it feels natural. After that, I'm going to talk about the eyes, which is basically my favorite part. So I have 3 options. Actually, we have a lot of palettes, but I'm just showing you the best ones. So the first is this Morphe X James Charles palette. So this palette is for those who want to invest, who want to make a one-time invest in their makeup, और जो चाहते हैं कि एक ही बार हमारे पास एक अच्छी सी पैलेट आ जाए जो हर इवेंट के लिए, हर फंक्शन के लिए, डे टू डे के लिए, डेली मेकअप के लिए यूज़ आ जाए. सो देन James Charles palette is the one for you. I have made a separate video on the unboxing and on the review wherein you can check out that video because that's really informative, because that's solely for James Charles palette and it has got variety of shades और मैं बहुत इसको यूज़ करती हूँ. And it has shimmer shades, very matte shades and every other shade that you can possibly imagine. So this is for those who want to invest एक ही बार एक अच्छी पैलेट के अंदर, then you can go for this. And yeah, so the next palette is on a very affordable side because I want to include makeup that you beginners can buy and एक बार try कर सकते हैं आप कि मतलब if you are learning makeup, अभी नया नया सीख रहे हो, then you can go for a very affordable makeup to see how you can just to practice और ये सब करने के लिए. और if you do not want to invest in a high brand or something, then you can go for the Savannah colors. And I know I have James Charles and I have Huda, but I still go for this because इसकी पिगमेंटेशन इतनी अच्छी है, फॉल आउट भी नहीं होता है. और मैंने मतलब ऑलमोस्ट मैं हर वीडियो के अंदर ये यूज़ करती हूँ क्योंकि ऑल्दो इसके शेड्स थोड़े से कम हैं, एक भी मैट शेड नहीं है, सिर्फ इसके अंदर शिमर शेड्स हैं. एंड बट स्टिल आई लाइक टू गो ऑन विद दिस बिकॉज एकदम फॉल आउट नहीं है एंड इट स्टेज पिगमेंटेड बहुत ज़्यादा है. सो यू कैन गो, दिस इज़ लाइक द बेस्ट पैलेट दैट आई love to use. कभी कभार तो I just ignore my James Charles and Huda palette and go for this for videos also. Like today, आज भी मैंने मेकअप इसी पैलेट से किया है and I love how cheap and how pocket friendly and how amazing this palette is. The next and the last palette that I'm going to talk about is this mini palette from Huda Beauty, and this is from the nudes collection. क्योंकि palettes थी उनके अंदर the shades were a little loud for me, so I went on with a very nude and very basic palette, and it has got all the nude shades and all the shimmer. It has got like 4 shimmers and 4 shimmer shades and 4 matte shades. So you can like the मैंने इसलिए मिनी खरीदी because I wanted to try it. The pigmentation is just amazing, बहुत ज़्यादा pigmented है and I love it. और it is an investment but it is worth every penny. We love this palette और मैंने बड़ी नहीं खरीदी because I had James Charles palette, तो मतलब shades फिर वो हो जाते हैं कि मतलब same shades हो जाते हैं, तो इसलिए I went on with their basic nude eyeshadow palette. Next I'm going to talk about is mascara. I love mascaras more than false eyelashes because I believe कि बहुत नेचुरल लगता है मस्कारा लगाने से, बहुत वॉल्यूमिनस भी हो जाता है एंड एट द सेम टाइम इट लुक्स वेरी नेचुरल. इफ यू डू नॉट गो फॉर आई शैडो एंड यू जस्ट गो फॉर मस्कारा, इट कैन मेक अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस. बोथ द मस्काराज फ्रॉम Maybelline, because Maybelline के mascaras are really good. The first is this Colossal Volume Express mascara and इसकी हालत से ही पता चल रहा है कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ हो चुका है एंड ये बहुत ज़्यादा वॉल्यूम क्रिएट कर देता है आई लैशेज़ के अंदर. इट लुक्स वेरी नेचुरल और बहुत फेक इफेक्ट नहीं देता है आई लैशेज़ को. The next is this Maybelline Total Temptation mascara, and ये mascara is good for those who want to go very light for their eyelashes. I believe कि volume से ज़्यादा it gives your eyelashes length. जिनकी बड़ी eyelashes हैं they can totally go for this. But if you have very volume के लिए अगर आपको चाहिए then you should go for this Colossal. The eyeliner I have Lakme Insta liner and this is a liquid liner और एक्चुअली मम्मा यूज़ करती थी और मतलब ये बहुत ज़्यादा अफोर्डेबल साइड पर है. बट when we switched to this eyeliner we completely fell in love with this, and also it is very easy to apply because of the very thin applicator. For your eyebrows I have Wet n Wild brown pencil. It has got a pencil and a brush and बहुत natural eyebrows लगती हैं. एकदम से ही बहुत ज़्यादा difference आ जाता है even if you just go on with the brush. I usually go on with the brush and not the pencil and I love it. So the last thing that I'm going to talk about is lipstick. So the first lipstick is from Maybelline. This is Super Stay Matte Ink, and when it says Super Stay तो it actually means it because इसको जितना मर्जी हटा लो ये हटेगी नहीं. And shade is 225 Delicate. आई लव दिस शेड और इसको पूरा दिन भी लगा लेंगे ना तो ये हटेगी नहीं. जितना मर्जी हम खा पी लें उसके बाद भी ये नहीं हटेगी. एंड इज़ ऑन अ वेरी थोड़ा न्यूडिश टोन है इसका एंड आई लव इट. इसके अंदर बहुत सारे वेराइटी ऑफ शेड्स हैं बट दिस वन इज़ माई फेवरेट. The next lip shade that I'm going to talk about is from Sugar and this is a lip crayon, I think. Yeah, this is a crayon lipstick in the shade 07 Viola. The shade is perfect. As you can see, I've used it a lot and it works like कि एकदम crayon की तरह ही and it stays for a very long time. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. और मैंने इसके अंदर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा options include करने की कोशिश करी ताकि you all can have an idea about every product and all the products work great for me. That's it for today's video. I will see you in my next video. Please make sure before going, please make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share this video and see you in the next one. Bye.